What's up, print fam? Welcome back to the print shop. Today we are going to try to do variable data on the fiber laser using the rotary attachment. So hopefully it works. We're gonna find out together. A quick shout out to firesprint.com for sponsoring today's episode. More on them a little bit later. So the first thing we have here is our variable data. We're making it in Excel. You need to save it as an Excel file with a header row, because the way that EzCad works is it always reads that header row. So you have to have one. It doesn't really matter what it is, but you have to have one. And then your variable data. From there, we will save it as an XLS file. So make sure you save it as the 2013 or something version, not the current one XLSX, but XLS. So again, file type, you want to save it as XLS Excel 97 2013. So in EzCad, we now want to add a text field. So we're just gonna call it name, and then down here in the bottom right hand corner you click, or left hand corner, enable variable data, and you'll click add. And then we want to do file, we want an Excel file, and then we're going to search for our pen file, which is Eric. It pulled that first row, so really line number 2 is where the data starts in the Excel, but it's line number 1 because it automatically truncates line number 1. So click OK. So we got the first name. So we are going to make it 4 millimeters tall. We're going to turn it sideways. We're going to set it at the 0 and 50 position. We are going to hatch it. So theoretically, we're good to go. Hopefully, if we use the rotary, then it will automatically, as you run it, go to the next one. So let's come up here to the rotary. I turn the power off. Turn the power on. Line the rotary up. Turn the fan on. So now theoretically the first one should be George and the second one should be Noah. So let's try it. George. It worked! This makes things so much nicer. Very, 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 very happy. It doesn't have any more to do, so it's just skipping them. That's awkward. At this point, I would be curious what would happen if the Excel spreadsheet has more than 24, if it'll just automatically skip to the next one when you start over. So I'll do some testing and find out for sure. But thank you to Firesprint for sponsoring today's episode. They are a trade-only wholesale printer. I love using them for yard signs, especially this time of year. If you can get away with a 1, 2, or 3 color screen printed sign, you'll save money over doing full color signs. But they're a great vendor. They got fast and free shipping on a lot of their products. They do banners, yard signs, stickers, floor graphics, all sorts of fun stuff. So make sure you check them out. There is a 10% off coupon down in the description for your first purchase with them. So thank you to Firesprint for sponsoring. I'm super excited about this feature because I've got a person that wants 600 personalized pens, and I was like, I'm not sure I want to do it because that would suck. Loading, unloading, loading. I know the variable data works, but I didn't know I could do it with the rotary. So got to do some more testing to find out. Hopefully it does, because it's just one more service that you can add more value. You can charge more money, but if I can do it that way, it doesn't really add more time. There's a little bit more time for the setup, but actually running the pens will be no different. So if you have any questions about it, leave them down in the comments. Thank you, Cam, for editing the videos. we'll see you all in the next one, Print Fam.